You buy the shoes, you pack the bag, you hit the gym for 5 days straight. And then, usually around week 3, that brand new gear ends up in the corner, gathering dust. It's the universal frustration of putting in the work, but walking away because the scale hasn't moved yet. To understand why we quit, we need to look at a framework developed by author James Clear in his book Atomic Habits. Specifically, we need to decode the 4th law of behavior change: make it satisfying. The rule governing human behavior is surprisingly rigid. A habit only sticks when the result provides immediate joy. Without that instant gratification, the behavior dies. This is the legacy of the Paleolithic brain. Our ancestors survived by prioritizing immediate payoffs, like finding food or avoiding a predator, over distant future planning. We still use that same hardware today, even when optimizing for a result months away. The struggle is a biological mismatch. Your modern goals are fighting your ancient wiring. That habits are easy because the timeline works in their favor. Eating a donut or scrolling through social media delivers a hit of dopamine right now, while the costs, like poor health or wasted time, are delayed. Good habits are the exact opposite. They require an instant cost in effort or boredom today for a reward that might not arrive for months. When your brain looks at this scale, it sees a bad deal and simply rejects it. The workaround is to manually attach a small, immediate reward to the end of a difficult habit. You are essentially bridging the gap between the effort and the payoff. For example, if you want to cook at home more often, you could transfer $50 into a Europe trip savings account the second you finish cleaning the dishes. To survive in a delayed return world, you have to build a system that satisfies your brain's demand for a prize right now. The most accessible form of that immediate reward is visual progress. The comedian Jerry Seinfeld used this exact strategy to build an unstoppable writing habit. He drew a red X on a calendar every day he wrote. His only goal? Never break the chain. This hits 3 laws. The calendar is a visible cue, the growing chain is attractive, and marking that X is immediately satisfying. It operates on the cardinal rule of human behavior. What is immediately rewarded is repeated, and what is immediately punished is avoided. That red mark provides the immediate evidence of success your brain requires to decide that an action is worth repeating tomorrow. You can start building your own feedback loop today. Step 1. Identify a difficult habit and attach a small reward that happens the moment the task is done. It has to be immediate. Step 2. Establish a tracking system you cannot ignore. Whether it's a high-tech app or a paper calendar on the fridge, the goal is the same. Move the progress out of your head and into the physical world. Step 3. Adopt the never miss twice rule. Life will interrupt your streak, but a single slip is just an accident. Missing twice is the start of a new, bad habit. Head to the comments and tell us the one specific habit you are going to start tracking right now. Artificial incentives provide the spark to start, but the immediate satisfaction of seeing your progress is what keeps the loop running for the long haul. Next time, we'll look at the inversion of this law, how to make your bad habits so unsatisfying they wither away.